How to bridge ETH from Layer 1, Arbitrum, or other networks to Linea on Transit Swap. First of all, open your decentralized wallet, like TokenPocket, and open your ETH wallet. Make sure you have enough ETH in your wallet. For sure, you can also open your Arbitrum, Optimism, and other Layer 2 wallets, and make sure you have enough ETH. Then, open the Discover page and search Transit Swap on the search bar. On TokenPocket, you can directly see Transit Swap on the hot dApp list. On other wallets, you can enter the website or Transit Swap to access Transit Swap. After accessing Transit Swap, select your Pay network and receive network Linea, and enter the amount of ETH you want to bridge. You also need to enter your Linea receiving address on this page. You need to bridge at least $25 of ETH from another network to Linea. After everything is ready, click Confirm Swap. Confirm the transaction details, and then click Confirm Payment. Then wait for the blockchain confirmation. Go back and check your Linea wallet. After the ETH is received, you've successfully completed the bridge on Transit Swap.